What's up, guys, and welcome back to another day with the Auto Works. Today we have an exciting new pigment we're going to try, glow-in-the-dark pigment. I got the fender behind me. I know some of you guys love it, some of you guys hate it, but I wanted a more wide scale piece to be able to spray on so we can really see if this works. How many coats, pigment load, I have no idea. We're basically just going to load it up and see if we can make this fender glow in the dark, guys. So I'm really excited. My wife's going to help, and let's get into it. Alright, let's see what we want to do, babe. We got many different colors to choose from. I think we have how many? 12 different colors, varying from red to yellows to blues to green to whites. Which two colors? Well, how about let's do it this way, sweetie. You pick a color, set up, and I'll pick a color, set up, and let's just go with it.
I'm going to do dark blue.
Alright, so she's doing dark blue. Me, I see this lime right here. It already looks like it's glowing, so I'm going to choose this lime. So we got two little cups right here. Like I said, I had no idea the load or anything. These bottles are 0.7 ounces. We might put the whole bottle in. I don't know. Maybe not. I don't know, but we're just going to we're going to wing this, guys. So let's mix up some clear and let's get the spraying. Alright, guys, so as you can see, we got the fender all prepped up. What I did was I wet sanded it with 600 after priming it, and I used a good old prep all with wax and grease remover to clean it up real good. Now, since we're going to go glow in the dark, I figured let's do a very, very bright color. We got some of this Cryon iridescent paint, or fluorescent paint, I should say, left over from the last video. And it didn't work out too great in the last video because we shot it over a dark color. So we really want to see if we can make it fluorescent. So we're going to shoot it over this primer today, and then we'll start glowing the dark it. So let's let's get the spraying. Alright guys, so after all the craziness, we finally going to figure out, is this thing going to glow? Now, I don't know, you saw what we did. We started out with the fluorescent, and then we decided to go crazy and do a little bit of freestyle. We used 3 different colors, and we used the marbleizer method, and then we started getting really crazy and taking a couple bottles and just splattering it on there. So basically, we're trying to give this thing every chance we can to see if it glows. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take it in the back, turn the lights off, hit it with some light for a few, turn the lights off, and you guys tell me what you think. Did we succeed or did we fail? Let's see if this thing glows. 3, 2, 1. Alright guys, so I guess it's pretty apparent that this thing does glow. Now, I tried to do as much as we could with it to try and get it a good angle. We are using our phones to record, so footage is what it is, but you can definitely see we succeeded. It definitely glows. If you decide you want to use the same pigments for your own video, for arts and crafts, for projects of any kind, I had links down in the description to everything we used today. And you can replicate it and do it yourself, guys. But I appreciate you guys for tuning in. This was a real fun trial and error thing today, and I think we actually succeeded. What do you think, sweetie?
I think we did too.
So that's another one in the books for us, guys. Plenty more content coming, cars to paint, all kinds of stuff. 2024 is just ramping up for Whitley Auto Works. So I want you guys to stay tuned. Like, share, comment, subscribe. If you haven't already, drop me a line. What would you like to see next? What color? What pearl? And until next time, God bless. I'm John from Whitley Auto Works. This is my wife, Nora. And we'll see you guys on the next video.